Hello again. So for this given tutorial, okay, so we'll be continuing our topic with regards on variables. So but for this time, so we will be using shell arrays. So we will discuss how to use shell arrays in Linux. So as we have learned, a shell variable is capable enough to hold just a single value. So these variables are called actually as scalar variables. Shell can actually have also arrays because it supports a different type of variables called an array variable. This can hold multiple values at the same time. Arrays provide a method of grouping a set of variables. Instead of creating a new name for every variable that is required in your code, you can just use a single array variable that stores all the other variables. So all the naming rules which we have discussed on our previous tutorial actually applicable also in naming arrays. Okay, so for example, so let's have nano 004.sh. Wait, nano. Okay, so for example, instead of like typing name 01 equal to Eugene, name 2 equal to light, then name 3 equal to salt, then name 4 equal to Jocelyn. Okay, so instead of typing all of these 4 variables, you can actually store it with just a single variable, and we will be calling this one as an array. So usually an array, okay, can be declared through the use of the following format. Okay, so we can have the array name, then followed by its index. Take note that index always starts with 0, then equal to the value. So for example, on those given example above, okay, we can just type it here, name 01, okay, name 0 rather, name 1, okay, then name 2, then name 3. Okay, so in that way, this is actually the proper way on how are you going to use a variable. So for example, let's try to echo one of the variable. Okay, in order to access a variable name, like for example I want to echo name 0, so echo, so you need to have the $sign, okay, followed by a curly bracket or an opening curly bracket, then the name of the variable or the name of the array, name, okay, followed by its index, for example 0, then close. Okay, so let's try to check. Yes. So chmod. Okay, chmod 777.004.sh. Okay, then 004.sh. Okay, so we have here Eugene. Okay, so it has says here command not found. Let's check that one. Why it has that kind of error? Okay, because we don't have equal. Okay, let's save. The equal was removed. Okay, so there, Eugene. Okay, so now you can also assign a variable name or the content of a variable. Okay, or like for example, I want uh, to assign all of the content of the variable in just a single line format. So how are we going to do that? Okay, so for example, let's just comment this, comment. Okay, so you can declare it like typing the name, then equal to, then the open parenthesis, for example Eugene, then the value. So for example light, then salt, then Jocelyn. Okay, so let's save and check it. There you go. Okay, so you want to like check, for example name tree. Okay, save. So Jocelyn. Okay, then what if I want uh, to display all of the content of the array? Like for example, I want to echo all of its content. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Okay, so on that given case, I'm just going to comment this one. So you can just follow the following format or syntax: $, then the curly bracket followed by the name of your array. Okay, then by using the wildcard character asterisk. Okay, or you can also use $, then open curly bracket, the name of your array, then followed by the @ symbol. Okay, so either of the two can be used, okay, for accessing all of the content of your variable. So for example, so let's comment this one, then let's echo this, echo. So method 1, let's check method 1. Okay, then the second one is method 2, echo method 2. So let's check, save, yes, enter. Okay, then there you go. So method 1, it displays all of the content of the variable or of the array. Eugene, Light, Salt, and Jocelyn. Then on the method 2, it also displays the content of all the values or data inside of that given array. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. So see you on our next tutorial. If you have any question on this given tutorial, you can just send me your inquiries or messages. Okay, thank you very much again.